Yesterday I sent you some resources and said that I could teach you how to fake laminate something in case you needed things to last for a little bit longer than a day or so. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is page protector that I've just kind of cut off. So I've put an icon in there and then I can cut it. Sorry, let me get the camera here. And cut it kind of around there. And it's a little, you know, crunchy and it's not going to be perfect, but it will work. And then you've got plastic on both sides. Then you take your tape and just kind of tape it around on at least all four edges. It's kind of better if you can just wrap it all up, but just putting a little bit on there is enough to definitely protect it a little bit. Then the other way, so then there's that. And it's kind of sort of laminated. Then you can put another little piece of tape on the back. Just roll it like a little tape circle. And there is kind of a laminated-ish icon. And it's almost like Velcro, but it will remove and move. Now, my favorite way to fake laminate, if I need to, is I take the icon like this. And then packing tape, and the big fat tape, the one that makes a lot of noises, and pull it on one side. Now flip it over. And do the same on the back. Trim it. Sorry, got out of the camera there. Trim it up. Quick and easy. So that's my preferred way. If I need to fake laminate something, that's what I do if I don't have access to the laminator. And it's pretty durable. It won't last for as long as if I had put it through a true laminator, but it gets a lot closer than if I just give them a piece of paper. So again, I put the rolled up piece of tape on the back, makes it kind of sort of like lamination. So, sorry, the camera's moving around. That's how to fake laminate something, and I hope that helps you. Bye.